Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ariel and this is the Ariel Cosmetic channel. Today I will be doing another makeup review. This will also be for an eyeshadow palette. This will be the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Now this is their second newest one. They just released one this week, but I like this so far because it has a lot of spring colors, a lot of summer colors, and it's definitely more hip for the season. And right now, you know, it's come to my attention that I wear a lot of dark colors, so sue me. So I decided to brighten it up and let's do something a little different. Very nice packaging, very cute. We're just gonna get right into it. I've already primed my face and put on foundation. So, nice hard plastic case. And this actually has the colors listed on the back of the box that it comes in, but also it has it listed on the inside of the package, which I like because it makes things easier, and I wish more brands would do that, but not everyone does, and it's a shame. But what's really cool about the Urban Decay palettes is the brush that comes with them, because this brush is worth it by itself. It's so good. Oh my god. And if you're not using brushes when you put on eyeshadows, please stop doing that. That's the problem. So I'm just gonna run through what the colors are. So as you can see, like I said, lots of pinks, lots of kind of summery warmed colors. So we have Hot Spot, which is this whitish color. We have Caution. We have Bang Bang. Pew Pew. Should have called it that. Feels. Oh my god. Guys. Feels. That's so sweet. Juicy. Turn On. Ambitious. Bing. Devilish. Young Love. I wouldn't know. I'm a little past that. And Drunk Dial. I am not above that anymore. And Privacy. So I'm gonna do like a whole bunch of, like I said, like lots of pinks, make it shimmery, make it pop, and we could just get right down to it because I've already, like I said, this is all ready. So now it's like, where do I begin with all these cool colors, right? As you noticed, I tend to like highlight and starting it off with that before I do anything. So I'm going to use the Hot Spot color right here, and we're just going to create like a little bit of highlight under the brow and also on the inside of the eye. Alright, so as you can see, I created a little highlight in here and a little highlight under the brow, and we're going to get into the colors. So I'm going to use 4 colors from this palette right now. I'm going to use Bang Bang, which is this shimmery pink color, which is really cool. I'm going to use Juicy, which is just going to soften everything up. I'm going to use Devilish, which is a very deep purple color, which I love. And I think that's going to be a nice dramatic color to accentuate everything. And then I'm going to put Young Love a little bit on the bottom of the eye. It sounds like a lot, and it probably will be for most people, but it's going to look good, trust me. So next, before I get into my inner crease, I'm going to use my more dramatic color first, which, as I mentioned, is the Devilish purple color, which is right there. And we're just gonna make a crease along the eye lid, right there, in the corner, And, just be gentle. Yes, we are going over some of the pink that I put there, but that's on purpose. So now you can see I put the devilish color. It's gotten a lot more dramatic very quickly. Got a bit of a kabuki thing going on, and that's okay. We like that. But it's gonna get soft enough, and we're going to use the Bang Bang color, which is this really cool soft pink color, but it has a lot of micro glitter in it, which I like. I'm a big metallic fan, so don't worry if this gets a little crazy. So now you can see we've used 3 colors, and with the shimmery color and the outside color, it's created kind of a sunset, kind of a pink, warm summertime look. And I'm gonna go in and use the final color, which I want to use, which is the Young Love, which is darker than the other shimmery color that we used, Bang Bang, but it's gonna go nice right under the eye. We're also still gonna do black under the eye, but we're just gonna use this to make it pop. Now I'm gonna use a different brush than the regular eyeshadow brush. This is almost like a liner brush. It's very thin, but it has a flat edge, and we're gonna use that right here. Now, I don't know about you, but it's hot in here, and I need some booze. And we're gonna keep in theme. I know you probably expect me to have some sort of like umbrella, like fruity drink for the theme of summer, but this is the Naked Cherry palette, and what I decided to do is drink some cherry bourbon, because I'm butch like that. I'm butch like that. Excuse me. So now we're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna line my eyes using black liquid eyeliner, and then we're gonna go under the eyes with some black eyeshadow, and we're going to kind of make everything pop, get rid of some of this just solid pink that we have going on, and it's gonna look good. So now I have eyeliner on. You can see that everything is very cool, very catchy, very fashion forward. And I'm just going to, like I said, almost done. We're just gonna line right under the eye. So now as far as the eyeshadow, I am all the way done using the 4 colors that I mentioned. I like the way it came out. Very warm, lots of pinks, very summer. You could wear this inside and outside, and it has a really interesting kind of soft look to it. Now I know this is an eyeshadow palette review, but what would you wear with this eyeshadow? Some people might not know that, so I'm going to show you what I would use to contour. Now I'm just going to use this KVD compact. It has a highlight and a contour. The highlight is obviously the lighter color. I'm going to use that just under the eye and like right above the cheek and kind of lighten this area, do our highlight. Then I'm going to use the contour right under the cheek here, and then I'm going to use this blush palette. I'm going to use one of these pinker colors up here, and you're going to see it's going to make everything very, very warm and kind of take the focus off of just the eyes. So now that I've contoured and I've highlighted, I'm going to do my cheeks. So I am going to use one of the warm colors like I said, but I'm going to use this white shimmery color just above at the very top of my cheeks because it's going to give us that kind of dewy, kind of summery look. So now we're just about done. We put on our eyeshadow, our eyeliner, our mascara, our blush. We are contoured. Now they say in fashion and in makeup that you should not match your lipstick to your shirt or your eyeshadow for that matter. But it just so happens I'm a tacky bitch, so deal with it. We're gonna use this very bright pink color. Oh, it matches my shirt, doesn't it? Ooh, watch me put it on. I'm a rebel. So now I am done. Hopefully you like these colors. Hopefully you like this palette and you run out and get one. Once again, it's the Naked Cherry palette by Urban Decay. I've always been a big Urban Decay fan for anyone who's been following me or watching me or knows me. And they just have great colors. This is very good for the summertime. Put on a shimmery, kind of glossy pink lipstick, and I am ready to go wherever the hell I want to go, okay? So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Ariel, and this is the Ariel Cosmetic Channel. Take care, everyone.